If you want to turn off live photos permanently on your iPhone, so in this video I will show you how you can do that. Now if you turn off live photos directly from the camera app, it will be turned off, but later on, if you do a restart on your iPhone or if you restart the camera app, it will turn back on. Now to turn it off permanently, just go to your home screen and open Settings. Under Settings, just scroll down and tap on Camera. From here, just tap on Preserve Settings. Now from here, just look for the option of Live Photo. Now if this toggle is turned off, just turn it on. After you turn on the toggle for live photos under the Preserve Settings, then just go to your home screen and open the camera app. Now from here, just tap on the 6 dots at the top of the screen. Now if live photos is enabled on your iPhone, just tap on it and turn it off. And after you do that, you will turn off live photos permanently on your iPhone. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.